Let's learn how you can easily edit PDFs online. On your web browser, type SEJDA and hit the search button. You will see this interface. Now, you will be required to upload the PDF file that you want to edit. So, click on this button. Now, select one PDF file that you want to edit. Now, open the file and come to the point where you want to edit the text. For example, I am going to edit this event title. I am going to replace green horizons with green tech. So I will select the green horizons part and type green tech. An option will be shown to you regarding the font style. However, you want to keep the font style as it is. Now again, I'm going to change the green horizons part with green tech. Here I'm selecting the part and typing tech. SEJDA allows you to correct PDF texts and add some more information. For example, you can write anything in this document. You have to just put your cursor where you want to write and you can write anything. Like I just said, please come. Okay, I'll just remove it. It was just an example. Now after you're done, hit apply changes button. And your task is processing. You can download your PDF which is corrected. And let me show you how it is. Yes, it is downloaded and here is the final corrected PDF. So that's it for today's video. Do give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.